Hey everyone. Um, is your Whirlpool refrigerator door not closing properly? Yeah, that can waste energy and cause your fridge to work harder. In this video, I'll show you the most common fixes to get the door sealing correctly again. First, look inside the fridge and freezer for items blocking the door. Yeah, even a small container sticking out can prevent a proper seal. Next, check the door gaskets. That's the rubber seal around the door. Look for cracks, dirt, or food residue that might stop it from sealing. Clean the gasket with warm soapy water if needed. Sometimes the fridge isn't level. Yeah, what if it's tilted forward or backward, the doors won't align properly? Use a level to check and adjust the feet if needed. Now inspect the hinges. Loose or bent hinges can cause misalignment. Tighten screws or gently realign the door if it looks uneven. Check for frost buildup near the door. Ice can push the door slightly open, preventing it from closing all the way. After making adjustments, close the door slowly and check for a proper seal. You can use a piece of paper, and if it slides out too easily, the seal isn't tight enough. If the door still won't close properly, the gasket or hinge may need professional replacement. Don't force the door, as that can cause further damage. And that's it. You know, the fastest ways to fix a Whirlpool refrigerator door that won't close. If this helped, feel free to like the video, and yeah, subscribe for more quick appliance fixes.